Hello friends, myself Ajay Ignath Chaudhary and I have completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering. Today's date is 7th January 2022 and today's topic is hash code in Java. So, definitions of hash codes are: the hash code method is an inbuilt method that returns the integer hashed value of the input value. So it is an methods that inbuilt the all the hash values into input values. How here are the few key concept to remember hash code. That is, multiple invocation of the of the hash code must return the same integer value within the execution of program unless the object used within the equal method changes. The integer value needs to not to be same for the next implementation. If two or more objects are equal according to the equal method, then their hashes should be equal to. If two or more objects are not equal according to the equal methods, then the hashes are can be equal or unequal. Or and second one is for a user defined hash code function is the have a following state, but not necessary for this in this order. It will be a changing one. Make a base class that contain attributes for the object that the user defines. Second one is override the predefined hash code function by making the use of @override. And third one is this will be ensured that the user defined value is displayed. Next is override the predefined equals function in a similar manner. In this function, compare the attribute that you want to be similar. In the main function, declare object of the base classes and use the hash code and equal function to ensure that the object are equal. Name the assistant consist first name and last name. Two name instance are equal as computed by the equal method. If there is first name are equal and the last name are equal, then the first and last are compared using the equal methods defined in strings. Two strings are equal if they are consist of the same character in the same order. Therefore, two name instances are equal if they represent for the same name. These examples of that is are follow: invocation return, that is true new name at the rate we shall write anything equal to new name at the rate Ajay. I think this name main method of the program creates two name instance, both representing Ajay. The program group put a first instant into the hash set and then checks whether the set contains the second. The name instance are equal, so it might seem that program should be print true. If you run it must certainly printed false. In hash code, we can apply the get method, add method, contain method, string to string method, to string method, to set method, just like doubly link and link methods. So these are the following we discuss about the hash codes for today topic. Thank you for watching my video.